Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Windows 11 PC is experiencing random crashes, weird glitches, or failing updates, you likely have corrupted core system files. I will show you exactly how to find and repair this hidden file damage using built-in command tools right now. Let's get started. First, you need to open the Windows Command Line tool with full administrative privileges to run these system-level scans. Open your Windows Start menu and type CMD into the search bar to locate the Command Prompt application. Right-click on Command Prompt in the search results and explicitly select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the User Account Control prompt to authorize the application to modify protected system files. Next, before scanning local files, you must ensure the underlying Windows system image is completely healthy and repaired. Type DISM /online /cleanup image /restorehealth into the terminal and press Enter. Allow the tool to connect to Windows Update servers to automatically download fresh, uncorrupted image files. Wait patiently for the deployment progress bar to reach 100% before moving to the final command. Finally, with a healthy system image, you can safely run the primary utility to scan and replace your local corrupted files. Type SFC /scan now into the exact same command window and press Enter to initiate the file scan. Allow the System File Checker to verify all protected files and automatically replace the damaged data it discovers. Restart your computer completely once the verification finishes so Windows can successfully apply the repaired components. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.